Bird habitats are shrinking, and finding food is becoming increasingly difficult. Traditional bird feeders aren't meeting our feathered friends' needs. Squirrels damage them, leaving seeds scattered everywhere. As a designer, I felt a deep responsibility to create a safe feeding environment for these little lives. So we designed Sheggell Oasis, a complete bird feeding solution. It offers bird seed feeders for common birds, a special feeder for hummingbirds, a bird bath, and a smart camera to capture their behaviors. And the eggshell design raises awareness for birds. First, the Sheggell Bird Seed Feeder features a squirrel-proof design with both mechanical and sound deterrents to keep squirrels away. The smart air drying system keeps bird seed fresh by preventing moisture and mold. Bird seed flows into the feeder, and the circular designs allow multiple birds of all sizes to eat whenever they want. The Sheggell Hummingbird Feeder is specially designed with multiple ports for easy access to nectar and features ant and bee guards to ensure safe feeding. Its downward-facing ports lets hummingbirds hover gracefully, capturing beautiful moments. The Sheggell Bird Bath features an open design for bathing and drinking. Its bottom reservoir, with a pump and filter, keeps water clean and circulating. The bird platform allows for different species to coexist, creating a bird oasis. Sheggell's innovative camera offers great exterior angles and excellent image quality. The camera features AI recognition to identify different bird species, with remote viewing through our app for a complete bird-watching experience. Its built-in speaker lets you interact with the birds. Sheggell's feeder stand, inspired by natural tree branches, is both stylish and versatile, fitting all types of feeders. The stand's smooth baffle helps keep squirrels away, while the quick-release design makes setup and removal easy, fitting any environment and instantly bringing life to your yard. Built-in solar charging for worry-free use. Sheggell's customizable system lets you configure it to your needs. This is Sheggell Oasis. Support our Kickstarter project. To help protect birds and give them a beautiful home.